Carmelite journey towards transformation. Because transformation isn't built in a day. It's a journey of love, learning and lifelong value. From first hesitant steps to confident strides into the future. This is where it all begins. Let us connect with our field reporter Astha, reporting live from the pre-primary block. Astha, can you hear me?
Yes, thank you, Arpita. The atmosphere here is filled with pride and gratitude. 14 years of trust between the school and its families have created a foundation of growth. Today, during the parent orientation, that bond shines brighter than ever. The teachers are welcoming the children with the warmth of a mother's touch, turning their first day into a moment of comfort, care and joy.
Astha, can you tell us how the primary students are doing?
Sure, Arya. Here karate is taught right from class 1, building strength and self-defense. Reading habits are also being nurtured with over 600 books in the library, allowing students to explore and imagine. Computer skills are introduced early, making young learners comfortable with technology. Along with academics, dance, art and craft and other cultural activities allow them to express themselves and celebrate creativity in every form.
Thank you, Astha. Do you know, Arya, what's going on in the classrooms and activity halls of the middle school? No. Let's connect with the reporter Yati, who will take us around the campus. Yati, are you connected?
Yes, Arya, we are connected live from Carmel Middle School ground, where transformation is clearly visible in every corner. Students here are stepping beyond textbooks and learning the power of expression through debates and declamation. The spirit of transformation continues in the playgrounds too, where Carmelites excel in indoor games like chess and outdoor activities like band and sports like football, basketball and badminton.
Apart from the school activities, what inter-school activities are the students engaged with?
Our students also shine in ASISC inter-school competitions, bringing laurels to the school and proving that Carmelites grow not just in character but in confidence too.
Thank you, Yati. Breaking news, the most awaited moment is here. The election of school pupil leader, the SPL has begun. Students are filled with excitement as they step forward to cast their valuable votes. That's right, Arya. The entire campus is buzzing with energy, cheers, posters and hopeful faces. The oath-taking ceremony of the newly elected SPL is now taking place in the school auditorium. The wait is finally over. Stay tuned as we connect to reporter Astha live.
Thank you, Arpita. Voting isn't just about choosing a leader. It teaches every student the value of decision-making and responsibility.
Interrupting you, Astha, for a second, we are hearing that social service activities are now taking place where students are learning the value of giving and helping others. Connecting to Yati. Yati, can you tell us what is going around here?
Yes, Arya, we are seeing students actively engaged in social service. Their efforts today will shape them into compassionate and responsible leaders of tomorrow.
Thank you, Yati. And now let's head over to our field reporter Astha, who is reporting live from the graduation night at Carmel campus. Astha, can you tell us what is going around there?
Sure, Arya. Reporting live from Carmel campus, where excitement fills the air as our graduating students celebrate their transformation from tiny tots to confident young adults. Right now, I have with me a proud parent, Miss Saima, and her daughter, who is one of tonight's graduates. Ma'am, how does it feel to see your child complete 14 beautiful years at Carmel?
It's honestly overwhelming. From first day nursery to this moment, Carmel has shaped her in every possible way. Academically, socially and emotionally.
That's wonderful. And dear, how are you feeling tonight?
I feel grateful. When I first joined Carmel, I was really shy. But over the years, through every debate, event, Carmel has taught me how to believe in myself. Carmel didn't just teach me subjects, it taught me confidence. Honestly, it feels like I'm not just leaving school, I'm leaving as a better version of myself.
Beautifully said. Truly, this is what journey towards transformation looks like. This is Astha reporting live from Carmel campus, signing off.
Thank you, Astha. Now let's move on to our next segment of rapid news headlines of transformation. Sujata Banerjee, an alumni of Carmel School, Jharkhand, is now a Mrs. Congeniality title winner of Mrs. India 2024. She's an Artificial Intelligence Program Manager at H&M Headquarters, Stockholm, Sweden. Shreya Tantra, an alumni of Carmel School, is now a space robotics scientist and a part of Japan's planetary surface robot research. And that was all about Carmel's journey towards transformation, shaping students, shaping the future. Further reports will follow. Till then, stay tuned. This is Team Carmel Live signing off. Have a good day.